Hi guys, my name is Ritika Singh Chauhan. Welcome back to my channel. So this look is a requested look. I actually posted a picture on my Instagram and some beautiful girls asked me to do this look, and this is the first time I got a request to do a look. So I'm very excited. So I have done 2 or 3 more looks using the Tan Beauty eyeshadow palette. You can visit my channel and go watch it. This is the Foxy Eye one and another is the Halo Eye. So yeah. But before starting the video, please hit the subscribe button. I really want to cross 1000 subscribers, guys. So please help me grow. Yeah, thank you. Jump right into the video. Moisturizer, I'm using my favorite Pond Super Light Gel Moisturizer. For the primer, I'm using the Nykaa Prep Me Up primer. Now for the foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 128 Warm Nude, and I'm mixing it with the shade 120 Classic Ivory. Now to blend my foundation, I'm using the Blue Heaven sponge. Okay, now for the concealer, I'm using this LA Pro concealer in the shade Creamy Beige. Now to blend my concealer, I'm using this Nykaa concealer brush. Okay, I'm gonna let my concealer sit there for a while, and I'm gonna correct this imperfection also. But before that, I'm gonna set my face, and I'm using this Sugar Compact in the shade 10 Latte. And I'm using the Zoeva Define Buffer brush. It's an angular brush. Now to set my under, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade 15 Light and the same Blue Heaven sponge. Okay, now I'm gonna use the leftover powder on my eyelid because I don't want it to be heavily set. So yeah. Okay, now for the eye look, I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you can see the details and whatever. So, yeah. Okay, now I'm using this eyeshadow palette from Tan Beauty and taking the shade Bed of Roses on my nameless brush from Amazon and putting it all over my crease in back and forth strokes and deepening up the color in the end. Now I'm taking the shade Smoke on my Wet n Wild Dome brush and putting it on the end of my eye and just creating a just a simple line. You don't it's not an eyeliner kind of a line, just a line because I have to smudge it and make it smoky in the end. So yeah, and putting the color very lightly on the end of my crease, not with a very heavy hand, with a very light hand. Now I'm taking this crease brush from Zoeva and blending the color into my crease and smudging the color on my outer corner. Now I'm taking the same shade Smoke on my same dome brush and I'm just deepening up the outer corner a little bit, not too much, just a little bit, so we'll get the smoky effect a little more. Taking the same brush again and blending the colors together. Take your time to blend everything. So yeah. Okay, now I'm taking the shade Nude on my Nykaa eyeshadow brush and cleaning up any harsh line and preparing the center of my eye for the next color. uh, Taking the same shade Nude on my Wet n Wild eyeshadow brush and cleaning up the lid for the next color. So yeah, now I'm taking the shade Power on my crease brush and I'm dusting off the excess. We need a very tiny amount of color. Make sure you have almost no color on your brush. Taking the shade Bonfire on my little finger and putting it all over my lid. Now I'm taking a very small amount of caster spell on my ring finger and putting it over the shade Bonfire, just a little bit, not too much. Now I'm taking the shade Bonfire again and putting it all over my lid again. Now I'm taking the same brush with no color, the remaining of the color, and I'm just cleaning up the crease and any harsh line. Now I've taken the same brush again, dome brush, and I have taken no color, the remaining of the color, and just a little bit of retouch on the outer end. Okay, now I'm taking the same blending brush and blending everything together so it looks smooth and nice. Now I'm taking the shade Bed of Roses on my Nykaa eyeshadow brush and putting it on the lower lash line, on my lower lash line. Now I'm taking the shade Blow a Kiss on the same Nykaa brush, like on the other side of the brush, and I'm putting it very close to my lash line, very close, so it will give you like a little bit of like smoky effect. Now I'm taking the shade Smoke again and putting it on the outer edge of my lower lash line, very close, not close, but make sure it will give you a little bit of smoky effect. Now I'm taking the shade Highlight on my spot liner brush from Zoeva and highlighting my inner corner. So our right eye is complete. I actually blocked the light here. So yeah, I will show you the result in the end of the video. So I'm gonna do my other eye off the camera. Okay, so our eyes are done and both the eyes look same. Actually I blocked the light here, so this one looks a little darker and this one looks a little lighter, but let's move on to a face now. The blush, I'm using the Calabar blush in the shade Sweet Scarlet, and I'm using this brush. It's again a nameless brush from Amazon. It's a little bit angular, so yeah. Before moving to a highlight, I'm gonna do my brows because I just forgot to do them. So I'm using this Maybelline Nudes palette and I'm using this brush from Faces Canada. I'm gonna use this black shade right here. First I'm gonna comb my eyebrow. So yeah. And I'm just gonna lightly fill them, only the sparks area. Now to set my eyebrows, I'm using this NYX brow tinted brow gel. It's in the shade Espresso. Now To highlight my face, I'm using the same Tan Beauty eyeshadow palette, and I'm using this brush. It's the Wet n Wild taper blending brush, I guess, and I'm gonna use the shade highlight from the palette. Now I'm gonna use the same highlight shade on my Zoeva spot liner brush, and I'm gonna highlight my brow bone. Okay, again I forgot about the mascara. So for curling my lashes, I'm using the Shein lash curler. For the mascara, I'm gonna use two mascaras actually, because I'm not gonna apply false lashes. So for first, I'm gonna use this L'Oreal Volume Million Lashes mascara, and then I'm gonna top it up with this Maybelline Falsies Push-Up Drama. Okay, so our makeup is done. Now for the lips, the last step, I'm using this Faces Ultime Flow in the shade Spiced Latte. Okay, so our makeup is done. I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching. Bye.